The Poly Studio X family has multiple ways to share content locally or in a video call. This video shows how to share content when in the Poly Video app mode. You can share content through Studio X family using iOS AirPlay, Miracast, Poly Content app, HDMI, or the digital whiteboarding capability if the video system is connected to a compatible touchscreen monitor. To connect via AirPlay, choose the video system name under the screen mirroring pull-down. If a content share passcode is enabled, it appears on the TV screen. Enter this into your iOS device to share. Connecting via Miracast is similar. Simply select the Miracast or SmartView application from your Android device. The Poly Content app can be downloaded from the HP support website. If your video device does not show in the list of nearby systems, you can manually enter the IP address by selecting Find Other Rooms. Once connected, you can share either a specific application or an entire desktop. If you would like to save content to the connected PC, click the Save Content button. If the X family device is connected to a touchscreen monitor via USB, you can annotate over the content or use the system as an infinite whiteboard. Additional whiteboarding information can be found on hp.com. You can also use HDMI by connecting directly to the X family device and your computer. All content can be accessed through the Content button on the Poly TC8 or Studio X family interface.